Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be installing a frozen boost heat exchanger on the Q50. You guys can see right here. But right now in the bit, I'm gonna go pick up a stencil that my friend made before I can paste it on here and make it look a little bit different. You get me? Yeah. So right now I'm just waiting for my brother to come out. He's just putting his shoes and this and that. Right now we're gonna go see if he's done with it, the stencil, and later on, when I get back from over there, my friend's house, I'm gonna show you guys what you guys are gonna be needing for this process. And what I heard about is that it's a 5 out of 2. I mean, 2 out of 5. So hopefully this is easy. My bad, corte right there. Well, this is a easy install, and everything goes well, which I'm kind of excited too. I ain't gonna lie. I seen the Q50 just yesterday. Actually, when we went to go pick up the spray cans, I was like, oh shit, that shit looks clean. So I'm happy. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm just waiting for my brother, and we out. So right now we're gonna go to my friend's house and pick it up, and I'll see you guys in a bit. God damn, hold up. I barely noticed it. I got chubby. God damn, look at my belly too. Damn, that work currency thing, whatever, got everybody fat. Bet everybody was just eating, laying down, and that's it. But I hope everybody was safe. Stay, man, even though that shit's about to be over, yeah, I better stay home. Not home, but like, keep yourself distance from people. Everybody's saying it's fake, but just, you know that this ain't gonna be over. Because, goddamn, look at me. I'm breathing while I'm talking. Goddamn, I'm getting tired. Look, I'm sweating too. Goddamn. Fuck. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go already to my friend's house. Peace. Alright, so we already got here, but he actually working on it already. That's what I'm gonna put on the intercooler, so it can like pop out a little bit, you get me? But yeah, look at his sausage strings right there. They're greasy as fuck. Suck on them. I suck on them right now. Well, yeah, that's how it's gonna look. He's working on it. So once he's done, I'm gonna show you. Not show you guys, but I'm just gonna spray paint it on the cooler and see how it's gonna turn out. Oh, this is his car right here, Danny's. That fool took it to the takeovers. Look what happened, man. You see? Them takeovers are crazy. Alright. So we didn't finish. We first did a light coat on the black, so we can know where the outline will be for the red. Which we already did the red, which we use pretty much 2 stencils. So we're done with the red one, which you guys can see it right there. Now we're gonna put this one on top again, and that's the guy over there who did it. He knows how to do it. I mean, it looks so far so good. When the sun hits it, ooh, god damn, you can see the red. Alright guys, so I don't know, comment down below if you think this is bad, doing this on painting the radiator, which I don't even know if it's bad, to be honest with you guys. But I'm just gonna give it I'm gonna take a risk. You know how life is, you gotta take everything a risk, and if it goes good, then it goes good. If not, I fucked up. Well, I use that paint right here as well, because I don't know if that, well, I think it gets hot, so that's pretty much what I use. I use the black one and the red one. I got them in AutoZone for $9 each. I wasted 19 bucks. Like 1916, I think, plus tax.
Before it dries up too fast.
So let's see how this shit came out. So there it goes.
So you stuck to it, huh? Oh, the quarters, huh?
I know. Oh, it came out like this. Not bad, not bad.
Dang.
And he did a good job. That's him right there. His name is Danny. That's one of my friends. That's why I came to him, because he knows how to get down. Look at this shit. Look at his work. Well, yeah. Now I'm just gonna wait to let it dry and put it on the car, and that's it. And see how it looks on the car. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're back. So I'm gonna show you the things that we're gonna need. Which are right here. You're gonna need a heater hose. I'll let it focus right now. Hold on. So you guys can see the heater hose. Show you the back. I got these from O'Reilly's. Wait, where is it? Damn, focus. There you go. Alright, you guys can see. You guys are gonna need 2 of these. And I have some clamps just laying down. So you guys are gonna need 4 of these. And self-tap screws. I just got 2. What I seen 2 people. I mean, people only put 2 of them to hold it. But we're gonna see right now. And then you're gonna need this lasso tape, I think it's called. For you guys can see the
PTFE.
It's the PTFE thread steel tape. And then of course you're gonna need radiator fluid. You guys gonna need my bad. You guys gonna need the blue, because you know you're gonna lose some once you take out the hose and this and that. And then you're gonna need a melt. Well, I got this. It's for you could drain and undrain. I mean, to drain the fucking water. My bad, man. I suck on talking. And then you're gonna need what? A heater hose, just right here.
How many feet?
I got a 6 feet, because they said that you usually need not that much, but yeah. I know my brother changed clothes. I told him, why are you gonna change clothes when you're gonna get dirty? You're gonna do all the work, not me. Well, yeah, this is a little update of the car. As you guys can see, I painted the engine thing, which it looks like Power Rangers. Everybody's saying. I don't know why they're saying that, man. Well, yeah. Oh wait, I got some new rims too. I got some Rust Bowl rims. You guys can see. I never seen them this color. Well, I think they're kind of rare. Well, I don't know. I probably got ripped off. Shit, I don't even know. But yeah, there's like a little update of the car. I mean, I got a diffuser, carbon fiber now. I switched it up. It looks way better. I don't know if you guys could see. Well, yeah. That's a little update of the car. What I heard, there's some 10 screws in the bottom that you gotta take off. I don't know if you guys can see. Well, yeah, right now I'm gonna do that quick. Probably a time lapse, or just skip through it, because you know I got Mexican neighbors. I mean, I'm Mexican too. I'm not racist or nothing. I'm just saying they be hearing a lot of church music, you know, on Saturdays and Sundays when they're cleaning. The mom getting down with the mop. Well, yeah. You see, I'm telling you, man. I'm bad. I'm breathing hard. Fuck. I gotta chill on eating, Adam. Well, yeah, I'm gonna get back to you right now once we take out the bumper. Alright guys, so once we took it off, it was a bracket there that we noticed.
Pretty much deep. When you take it out, it's gonna come straight like that with the bracket.
Just remember how it goes, that's it. But there's people that don't put the bracket on it, and they just put the bolt. But by the way, it's a 10.
Let's show it this little corner.
Just in the corner. Well guys, these were the nuts for the bolts I was talking about. There's gonna be like around the bumper. You're gonna need to take them off. They're like 1, 2, they're like 10 of these all around. Just take it off. Alright guys, so you're gonna be taking off one of these clips right here, which you can take off with the flathead. But since I don't have them, you get me? It's pretty much taken off. But basically, you're gonna pull this. Can you hold the camera? Basically, you're gonna hold this this back, the plastic, the black. Don't be scared, man. Like right here, there's a bolt on top. I don't know if you guys can see. It's right here on top, which is gonna be a size 10. Just take that off, and there we're done. We already pretty much take off the bottom ones already. So we just taking out the sides, and that's it.
Alright guys, so this is the right side. When you take it off, you're gonna have to take 2 connections off. It's that one and that one right there. So that one and this one, same for the other side. And the bumper should be free. That's all.
Alright guys, so we took it off. So now you're gonna see this. Just take it off, it's some plastic. You just put it back on later on. It's just a sport to hold the bumper thing. Yeah. So now we're gonna get to work. Alright guys, so we pre-drilling the holes already. We already marked it where we're gonna have it at. So we can put these. So we can put these. Right now, what I'm gonna do is start putting these on here. Sorry about that. I'm gonna be putting this, but first I'm gonna put some of this on here. And yeah, for now, while he's doing that. Alright guys, I already drilled that on. I mean, it's pretty steady, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna put the heater hoses, which is only one hose that you're gonna take off from here, which is gonna run down all the way. The long one is connected right here in the bottom, as you guys can see. So first thing I'm gonna do is put a hose right here, connect it to the bottom, and then try to hold and not drop a lot of like radiator fluid or coolant, whatever. And then connect the other one and run it through here, and just pass it through here and connect, and that's it. You're done. And pretty much just put on radiator fluid.
Alright guys, as you can see, it's on. Hopefully no leaks, we're gonna see right now. But 2 hoses, and this is the old one that we took off. We don't need that one no more, it's junk. We replaced it.
It's just one heater hose, which is the top one that you're gonna take off. Which this one is gonna be connected on the top. It's this one that you're gonna take off.
Right now we're bleeding the coolant, letting it with the bubbles out.
This one, it is the only one that you're gonna take off, which it was connected right here to the bottom. It was connected through here. Don't worry about this. I dropped some coolant. That's why I bought some extra one, which I bought it from Nissan, but you could get it in Infinity anywhere. Well, yeah. So now it is sold. Everything is good. And that's it. Next thing
is good. No coolant leaks. Alrighty, but if you guys are trying to buy this or thinking about buying this, you guys are gonna have to remove the bottom portion of the grill because it's not gonna fit with that one. So yeah, right now that's what we're gonna do. It's pretty easy, it just clips. Alright then, there it is. That's the thing you guys gonna take off from the bottom if you guys want to run this, because it is gonna be poking out a little bit and touching that plastic. Yeah, show you guys right now and put it on.
So guys, we already finished putting everything. Gonna go test ride it. Hopefully there's no leaks or nothing. And yeah, that thing looks so aggressive with the sensor too that my friend made, Danny. Yeah, he gets down.